Welcome to another video channel of DigiSales. Today we are going to talk about how to edit stock information. How to edit stock information. You can edit it through the shortcut here, or go to the tab, stocking tab, click on it, come to stocking, go to stocks and click on the edits, or you click on enter stock. The edit stock is here, so you can use the edit function here. So let's click on edit. There you see all your list of stocks you have entered. You can search the stock you want to edit by stock code 07 ME, so MOT, or you can click on MOT, then the name of the stock comes. So you can choose both of them. You can choose either the edit by stock code or edit by stock name. It will help you bring the search up. Click on it, and then the edit dialog box open for you to edit. So there are parts or certain function on the edit page that makes the edit or helps the edit information you want to effect happen with effective link to the other parts of the software. Those parts you do not see, but they are the back end of the program. They help. The information you see here helps the stock to maintain the right code, the right stock name, the right cost, the right quantity, and the right expiring date. So let's say you want to enter quantity. A lot of softwares cannot recalculate their cost or revenue when we edit quantity. So look at the MOT. MOT is under canned drinks. We have 93. The 93, this is the total cost, and this is the new revenue of the 93, the new cost or the old cost. So since we have not changed it, it's still the same as the new cost, and then the total new cost, and this is the quantity. So I want to increase it to 100, so I add 7. So the moment you add 7, it increases to 100. As you can see, it does the recalculation by itself. So the new total cost is now this. Since there is no change in cost, we'll still maintain it. If you had gone to the market and the costs have changed, the software maintains current value. Please remember, the software maintains current value. So you need to enter the new value because you are in the business to make profits. And therefore, if the price have changed, you need to change the pricing. So let's say it has increased by 10. So this is the old cost, this is the new cost, and this is the total new cost. It costs the company to buy the 100 pieces if they were to buy it now. This is the expiring date section of the drink. If you want to change the stock code, this is where you change it. When you see this box filled up, that means we have the wholesale listed for the MOT and the retail listed for the MOT. So the stock code you change must affect all of them. These are system information, so even if I do not explain, you don't need to know much about it. This is where you can change the supplier's information. you put it on KK paper, it changes. This is where you can change the code in case you feel the stock name or the stock category under which is listed is by mistake and you want to make it right. You can change it here. The moment you effect any change, it changes. So let's maintain our canned drinks. Yes. So this is how we make changes to stock or make edits to stock. Then when you are done, please click on submit. So the stock record edited means this is your staff ID. So it's saying this person has edited the stock information. So you click OK. So it's done. So let's check mods again. And we can see that the cost has increased and the quantity has increased, meaning the stock information have been updated, and it's expiring on 2024. Thank you very much for watching this video.